An easy way for you to check if a device is up and running on your network is the ping reply. So all you have to do is type the word ping, P-I-N-G, followed by the IP address of the device that you want to determine if it's up and running, and then hit enter. And then you will get these reply messages back letting you know that the device is up and running. Now you notice how they sent 4 of them. If you do want to send more, or if you want to send a continuous test, you would type the word ping again, followed by the address here of the device, and then you do -T, and here it will continue to send these replies here until you stop it. And to stop it, you just hit Control-C on your keyboard, and that is how you do both a quick ping test here and a continuous ping request.